Core Web Vitals are not just a way to measure how visitors experience your website, but they also impact search rankings in Google. You can use Google's Search Console to track your Core Web Vitals, but there are two big limitations. First of all, it takes up to 30 days for the data to update, and second, you don't get detailed debug data to optimize your website. DebugBear is a monitoring service for Core Web Vitals, allowing you to run continuous lab-based tests similar to PageSpeed Insights, collect real user metrics, and keep track of the CrUX data that impacts rankings. Let's take a look at each of these features and why they're useful. This is a dashboard showing different URLs that we're monitoring on DebugBear, mostly showing lab-based results, but also showing the overall CrUX score for this page. We are running these tests on a schedule and can pick from 20 different test locations. To optimize our page speed, we can get a detailed result for each page to see how the page is rendering. For example, if we click on large contentful paint, we can see what the largest contentful paint image is, what different LCP subparts contribute to the overall LCP score, and how the LCP image is actually loaded. DebugBear lab tests provide a lot of detailed information about what's happening on the network when your page is loading. The Web Vitals tab also shows Google CrUX data for this page. We can see that there was an increase in the CPU processing time on the page, and then gradually over the next 28 days, this was reflected in the interaction to next paint score. DebugBear also supports reporting subpart data based on the Google CrUX report. This was only added to CrUX recently, so we don't have a lot of historical data, but you can see how often an image or text was the LCP element on your website, and whether what's delaying the LCP is loading the image, discovering the image, or a general render delay after the image is loaded. Each test result also includes a full Google Lighthouse report, including accessibility and SEO scores. When a score changes, you can select the test result, enable compare mode, and see exactly what orders changed, resulting in the score regression. We've already seen some data from Google's Chrome User Experience report, but we also have a dedicated CrUX Trends dashboard that makes it easy to compare your website to those of your competitors by looking at trendline data for the last 25 days. You can see how you compare within your industry and see whether your website is getting better or worse overall. Finally, DebugBear also supports real user monitoring, where you collect performance metrics directly from your visitors. For this, we have a particular focus on the interaction next paint metric, allowing you to see what pages have poor performance, as well as specific scripts that are causing delays. You can open the Elements tab to see what page elements users are interacting with most often and whether those interactions are fast or slow. We also provide an Optimize tab that guides you through your data and allows you to identify specific performance issues that you can optimize. We can tell you what scripts are running, why they're running, and you can also look at specific visitor experiences. For example, if we look at this page view, we can see that the user interacted with the arrow button on the carousel. We can also see specific scripts that delay the user interaction. DebugBear is built specifically for monitoring Core Web Vitals metrics. Check out our interactive demo or sign up for a free trial to start monitoring Core Web Vitals on your website.